क्या राजकुमार, तू बाहर तो रखा कर, पर बाहर ही नहीं रखा तूने मेरा योगा मैट। पूरा मच्छर इन दिस योगा रूम एट नॉट कॉमन यार। ये मशीन शायद काम नहीं करती है, पता नहीं। आई नीड टू पुट द मशीन इनसाइड द योगा रूम। और मच्छर काटते हैं। एनीवेज, टॉक टू यू गाइस लेटर। दूसरी बात है, ये पूरा सॉकेट खराब है, साथ साथ में इतने बड़े बड़े मच्छर है, तो या कम से कम यहाँ पे फिनाइल का पोता तो लगवाओ। ये लोग मेंटेनेंस में फिनाइल यहाँ पे सफाई नहीं कराते हैं, तो फिर क्यों नहीं सफाई कर रहे इसको? अगर इसको योगा रूम में बनाना, कबाड़ खाना बना दिया है, कम से कम फिनाइल से पोता तो मारो। इतना तो मशीन लेके आए हो। इट इतने बड़े बड़े मच्छर है यार, और पूरा सॉकेट गुड नाइट का चल नहीं रहा है, तो कछुआ छाप लेके आ भैया। ये स्प्रे भी चल नहीं रहा है। So the whole thing is they have a yoga room here which has got khidki and everything, and it's a big yoga room. But the whole thing is they don't get it cleaned. I don't know what's the zone because मैं हरी। But अगर आप फिनाइल वाला पोता नहीं करो, साफ सफाई नहीं करो, तो मच्छर तो घुसेंगे ना। So now I've kept the windows on, but there are big मच्छर्स यार। I think कछुआ छाप लाना पड़ेगा, कछुआ छाप, because in the electric socket भी खराब है पूरा। There is a monkey! There! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, wildlife! Oh my god, look at that! ये हीरो साइकिल की ब्रांडिंग हो रही है। Look at that! It's a monkey in the corner. What are you doing? Huh? Oh my god, wait. ये देखो. No, he's hiding behind the cycle, the monkey. So you walk, then he can come, no? No, he walked and came. He wanted to say hello to you, so I got you inside from here. Tina, what's happening? Why are you hiding? You're scared of monkey?
It could be irrational also.
Oh, that's monkey.
Yeah.
He's quietly sitting in a hiding position.
But then I don't know when he's not going to be in a proper mind state of mind. So why take risk with him?
Core cardio. Ki more cardio.
What do you think?
What's written on your t-shirt?
Read it if you like it.
Full-fledged monkey. Why I just shut the camera and you start giving those one-liners? What is a full-fledged monkey?
Means grown-up monkey.
Grown up?
Yeah. See, he's looking at me. He likes to see my face.
When are you taking me to that Khakra Wali or some other place जहाँ से आप थेपला वैक्यूम पैक कराते हो?
You could have said no, we just come to the store.
I did not know ना. I did not
I did
know.
not know what is happening outside in my house. In my house, who is coming, who is going, I don't know.
कैसे हो रहा है?
That is such a question mark in my mind. I'm just perturbed about it. Which I'm not liking it. Why the main doors were open?
थेपला वेपला करते हैं ना, उस जगह लेके जाना, तो मुझे उनकी मशीन्स देखनी है before I buy a machine in Bombay. ठीक है?
I take it. Yeah. One place to is far and one place to visit, so you could just go in the auto. But then
No, auto I don't want to go. Whenever Gaurav is going, I'll go with him.
now will be busy. Now the strolling time is gone.
हाँ, so tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Okay, bye.
No, bye. Sit here. I'm not going anywhere now. I was going to decently get up.
Now you want?
No, when you show me now, then no, it comes on my self-respect.
So what do you do then?
And I stay put.
Then you stay put. ये कौन सी कॉम्बिनेशन है नया है?
नहीं कुछ भी नहीं है, किसी के साथ मैच कर दिया. Why it's looking funny?
No, you never look funny, Veena.
I'll just mix something.
पीकॉक ने
दिखाई दिया
हाँ
ये इधर मुझे जंगल में देखो इधर
हाँ
इधर
हाँ इधर, और एक ये इतना बड़ा, ये पीकॉक का अंडा है।
पीको आई थी कल देखा था
अरे
आज
वाह
देखो
वाह,
आई थी जब चली गई
अरे
वो दिया
awesome. Okay, I'm walking and I just want to say, हम सबको पता है कि महाभारत plays a very important role in our lives because महाभारत की teachings भगवत गीता में है and कृष्ण भगवान जी ने जो कहा अर्जुन को during the war, that teachings are a learning experience in our life. मगर एक बात बहुत ज़रूरी है याद रखने की, while understanding Mahabharat, Yudhishthira, the husband of Draupadi, he gambled her. A husband gambled a wife for greed, for his personal greed, greed of kingdom, greed of power. So पुरुष उस टाइम से अपनी पत्नी को दाव पे लगा रहे हैं, अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स पूरी करने के लिए, अपने पावर को पूरा करने के लिए, अपनी एम्बिशन को पूरा करने के लिए. बीवियाँ, please always keep your head on your shoulders, love your husbands, do good for them, but don't become a product for them कि वो कभी भी कैसे भी आपका इस्तेमाल करके आपको गैम्बल करते हैं. ठीक है, this is for all the women who are wives, because men have a great bro code. ये आई थिंक वो पिक्चरों में भी दिखाई देता है. खेल खेल में पिक्चर होती है, कोई दूसरी पिक्चर होती है जहाँ पे men hide the affairs and the cheating of their brothers who are married or who have a girlfriend. But women are women, they are just jealous and not focused when it comes to sisterhood. So ये मैं आप लोगों को कह रही हूँ कि युधिष्ठिर जैसा महान राजा अपनी बीवी को दाव पे लगाता है, द्रौपदी को. And the thought process कि उस समय द्रौपदी had 5 husbands. I somehow in today's time cannot relate to that. Yeah, हमें issues होते हैं polygamy से when a man has multiple wives, but उस समय Draupadi had multiple husbands. That is also polygamy. So that polygamy is justified. Nobody talks about it, but polygamy that we see in a reality show or in the lives of Bollywood actors, we talk about it. But Draupadi had 5 husbands, and one of her husbands gambled her, and that's why the entire Mahabharata happened. That's the crux, that's the storyboard. Yeah, Mahabharata history.
एक ग्रे कलर की चप्पल और है अंदर.
नहीं ले लेंगे ना चप्पल.
अरे 300 रुपए की आके उसके लिए वो मिलती नहीं है आजकल.
तो ढूंढ लेंगे ना.
दो वो काम आप ही ढूंढ सकते हैं. आपके किस बैग में क्या है.
मैं कल देखूंगी. अगर तुम मेरे साथ शाम को वॉक करने चलोगे तो मैं तुमको हेल्प कर सकती हूँ. अगर आप वॉक करने नहीं चलोगे सनलाइट में तो मैं आपको हेल्प नहीं कर सकती हूँ. इट्स अ सिंपल गिव एंड टेक.
बात है.
Just seeing this, that there is a Junior Doctors Association at PJ Medical College held a self-defense workshop for female students. I think we can do a better job with the guidance of Sangram Singh through Gymnasio Fitness Center. Yeah, he'll be able to guide the girls and make them self-sufficient to defend themselves. I just hope he starts his application for the same soon. Now, I just want to see this Yankee group in Ahmedabad has started a cloud kitchen. Okay, my cloud kitchen is in Bombay. I need to meet people in Gujarat, Ahmedabad who are interested to collaborate with us for Healthy Hustle because food is big in Ahmedabad. Yeah, Gujarat. हाय. मैंने बाल धो लिए तो फिर से ऐसे हो गए. Anyways, so there's a cloud kitchen culture everywhere in India. I think all over the world. We have to now get to interested groups who have extra money, like more money, which they could kind of invest on Healthy Hustle and Gymnasio Fitness Center, because I told Sangram that self-defense is something which is the need of the hour. And with the way the rape cases are coming out in public, women need to understand that they need to make themselves strong, and they need to have their own self-defense techniques if they are stuck in a situation where they're vulnerable, so that they can defend themselves. So Sangram has to work on the self-defense techniques because he is good at it. Because he's a wrestler, I'm not. But I'm just trying to tell you that in Gujarat, the Cloud Kitchen is combining with film promotions, and whoever orders in the Cloud Kitchen gets ticket to the films. So the group that must be running this Cloud Kitchen must be a big group, yeah, because there's a lot of money in Gujarat also, and people love food. It's just that we have to work with like-minded people. I would not like to work with those people who compromise on their values when it comes to food. Okay.